Here's how to make the viral Korean rice mask. Add a cup of rice and a cup of water and mix it well. Now drain this water out and add another cup of water. Mix it and store this. Now cook the rice until it's about 80% done. Add this to a blender and mix it with some of the water you used to boil the rice. And blend away. Depending on how much water you add, the consistency will look a little bit different. This is what it should look like, but if you add less water, it will look like this. And if you add more water, it will look like this. As for the water we stored earlier, you can put this in a container and use it as a toner twice a day on your face. Just spray it and let it air dry. Store it in the fridge for up to 7 days. You can also freeze this rice water and use it on your face every morning to depuff. Don't forget to follow.